When you use Photoshop's remove background function, it sometimes leaves a blurrier edge than you might want, especially around the hair. And so I'm going to show you how to make the outline less blurry and more crisp in just a few seconds. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure that the mask of your thumbnail is selected, and then hit Command L or Control L to bring up the levels adjustment tool. And then you want to just adjust these sliders in or out from the left or the right to make your adjustment. So I find in this case, the left slider has the most effect. And as I bring it in to the right, you can see, especially if you look at the thumbs here, or this particular thumb, as I bring it in, that blur around my moving hand gets crisper. Now, if you just look at that thumb alone, it looks a little bit weird, but overall, the effect is that you have a much crisper outline around my silhouette here or around my cutout figure. And this will look better in the YouTube thumbnail that I want to use this for. And that's it. So again, all you have to do is once you've removed your background, go to the mask thumbnail in the layers panel, hit Command L to bring up the levels adjustment, and pull that left slider to the right, and that will crispen up the edge, basically make that mask shrink in a little bit, and especially make the blur around any moving hands and your hair less blurry. And then when you're done, you can hit OK. So thank you very much for watching. If this video helped you today, please let me know in a comment.